So this is Harcourt Street. We're going to walk up now. Renowned for many pubs, clubs and hotels. Here's a little secret one. Club Cunra na Gaeilge. You have to actually speak Irish to get in. As you can see, a lot of people viewing my channel are not subscribed. It would be super cool if you could subscribe to my channel. It costs absolutely nothing. You don't get that for nothing in the world. And if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe. It would be just cool to help the channel go. So if you're feeling kind and generous and want to give your thumb a little bit of exercise, click that subscribe button. I'm not really much of a drinker, so that's all I know. There's probably a few other little hidden pubs around here. I always love this kind of graffiti. Very cool looking. Now it is early morning on a Saturday, so we're not going to have much people around. Oh, the Odeon is at the top of this road. Forgot about that. It's a laneway to Wexford Street. That'll be coming up in another video. I love these old style houses. Always so beautiful. Well maintained. A lot of character from the old days of Dublin. Still, I think that was another nightclub. I think I was in there before. And there's Dicey's. There's another one, I forgot that name. Another nightclub. I think that's several floors. I've been in there. I think the hype was overrated. Maybe I'm just old and cynical right now. But you know, you had to pay €20 in, take 45 minutes to get a drink. And then like loud music, you couldn't talk that. I just like the old man pub. You know, you can sit and talk and get drunk quick. And Space Jacks. Little laneway down through to Wexford Street. I'll do some intermingling around. Then the Ivy Gardens Hotel, I believe, is over there. Never been to the Dean. Don't know if that's a hotel or probably a restaurant or power. Granted, I haven't been in town in a couple of years going drinking, probably a decade at this point. So, yeah, I don't know any of these new ones. Excuse me. So, someone commented that they'd like a bit of narrative over it, so I haven't actually spoken on a video in a long time. So, I do apologise if the audio is low or bad or my voice is terrible. I'm still shy around people. And here we have the Harcourt Hotel, another nightclub. And this is the Green Lewis line. So there is a stop at the top of this road here beside the Odeon, and another one by St Stephen's Green Park. So it's the green line, Lewis, you're looking for. But if you're in town, if you're staying in town, it's not too far of a walk. I walked here from Stephen's Green in 2 minutes. And then this is Odeon. This one here is massive. Very popular nightclub, if you could get in at the time. We'll let some traffic go by here. So that's mainly it. There's a good few drinking spots here on Harcourt Street. Well, there was. I don't know what the situation is now after COVID. So they might be turning into restaurants, and I think things are starting to open up slowly now. Well, by the time this is actually up, we're getting close to October 22nd, which is supposed to be basically everything open day, except a few things. So I don't know if we're going to be back to full nightclub and capacity, but I do know that there was a test there a while ago. 450 people capacity. Get a closer look at the Odeon. I think it's still open. Oh, maybe not. I see boarded up windows. Is that double alarm going off there? So, well, not too the best. Could be under construction. And that's it, that's the top of Harcourt Street. Now I'm sure on a Friday, Saturday evening, the place will be jamming, even on the streets. People just out partying, bringing cans or finding some loophole to have their weekend drinks. And that's it. So if you like this video, you want to see more, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you thought. And I'm happy to do more. So stay tuned for the Wexford Street one. I don't know much about that one.